on Tuesday, the 10th, everything happened so quickly. You always have this list of things that you do in case of a fire or things that you get in case of a fire, and it happened so fast that we wasn't able to really get anything out of the houses. By the time we smelt the smoke, the it was pretty much engulfed in flame, and we got our vehicles out, we got the camper away. So we didn't lose anything like that, just our belongings inside of the fire. But even the day of, as this is happening, within minutes, we're getting phone calls and texts from our neighbors. And one of our neighbors and dear friends just came and sat with us the entire time. It's definitely been a humbling experience for our family. We just want to say thank you to everybody who's showed love to our family, who's came by or just checked in, who's donated clothes or food or blankets. We just love you guys and thank you so much, from the bottom of our hearts. PPIR, we were completely blown away with your offer to do this event for our family. We know that you guys have a commitment to corporate citizenship, and we've seen that throughout the years of living here. My son actually went to one of his school dances right at PPIR, which is a memory he'll never forget. So thank you guys. It's so refreshing to see companies just have that approach and that sense of community. Our family, it means a lot to our family because we have the same sort of value. We love giving back to this community. We do a lot of the events here. We do Thanksgiving dinner, back to school barbecue, Easter egg hunt, our weekly food distribution. And we do all of these events because we love this community. We love to see everybody together, and the genuine care and concern that everybody has in this community for their neighbors. It's amazing, and it's like nothing we've ever seen before. We're native Coloradans. I think the kids are third generation here in Colorado, so we've been here a long time, and this community specifically is just the bond, and that sense of community is just amazing. Once again, we just thank everybody. We never thought that we'd be on this side of things, but it's definitely shown us just that people do care. People just genuinely care for each other, and that has meant so much for us. So thank you, and thank you PPIR for doing this event for us. God bless you guys.